Now focus on this carbon atom. Here what happened? You are going to remove the H. That means here what happened? So on this carbon you are going to get the one unpaired electron. This carbon attached to 3 carbon. So this is calling as a what? Tertiary radical or tertiary carbon. Okay. Why? Because mean it is attached to 3 carbon atoms. So this is what? Methyl radical. This is what called primary radical. This is secondary radical, and this is a what? Tertiary radical. So like that here, like carbocation, carbene ion radicals also 3 types. Okay, here including methyl radical means 4 types: methyl radical, primary, secondary, and tertiary radicals. Here all carbocation, carbene and free radicals are called reaction intermediates, means they are going to form in between the reactions. That's why it's calling as a word reaction intermediate. Now let us see the shapes here. Here carbocation, okay, this is a carbon radical. Why? Because means we have only single electron. Carbene ion means we have the one pair of electron. Now if you see here, as you know very well, we have the carbon valency is 4. Okay, in a 4 hybrid orbitals, okay, is going to lose a pair of electron, isn't it? So here we have the one vacant 2pz orbital is there. Okay, now in what happened next in a free radical, here we have one unpaired electron. Okay, this is the we have the one unpaired electron in case of hybrid orbital. Now in case of here what happened, carbon ion, we have the pair of electron. Why? Because means taking the pair of electron, so we have here one pair of electron. Now this is called methyl cation, methyl radical, and methyl anion. These are the name of the intermediate. Okay. Now if you see the shape here, the methyl carbocation having the sp2. So once sp2 means shape is what? Planar. Now this radical also having the sp2. Once sp2 means what? Shape is what? Planar. Here carbene ion is hybridization is what? sp3. Once sp3 means, as you know very well, shape is what? Tetrahedral. Now if you see the charge, it's having the positive charge. Here having the neutral, because we are talking the free radicals are neutral. Here carbon having the what? Carbon ion having the negative charge. So it is a negatively charged. Now let us see the here stability order of the intermediates. Okay, so we already discussed we have the methyl carbocation, primary, secondary, tertiary carbocation. Free radicals also we have the methyl radical, primary, secondary, and tertiary, and like that we have the carbene ion also. Now if you see the stability order, okay, this is a methyl carbocation, primary carbocation, secondary, and tertiary. Okay, now among this, if you see the order, tertiary carbocation is more stable, then secondary, then primary, then least stable what we have, primary. Why? Because means here, as you know very well, carbocation means we have the electron deficient. Okay, so these methyl groups are have the tendency to donate the electron. So it is what, it's need the electron carbocation, and around the surrounding what happened, we have the groups which is giving the electron. So if you see here, so around this carbon, here we have the 3 donating groups are there. Okay, but here if you see we have the only 2 donating groups only. Here if you see only we have the 1 donating group. Okay, so number of donating group increases means stability going to be increases. So here we have the 3 donating groups, here we have only 2 donating groups, here we have only 1 donating groups. So here what happened, we don't have any donating group. So because of that reason, here it is having the least stable, and tertiary carbocation is more stable. Why? Because means we have the 3 donating groups are there. Now in case of free radical, here again if you see, this is the methyl free radical, primary free radical, secondary, and tertiary free radical. Same carbocation like this, here also tertiary free radical is more stable, then secondary, then we have the primary, and least we have the methyl free radical. Again why? Because means here we have only one unpaired electron, nothing but means what? Again here we have electron deficient. So here in this case we have the 3 donating group, so it's going to increase the stability. In this case we have only 2 donating group, here we have only 1 donating group, here we don't have any donating group. So once donating group increases means what? Stability going to be increases. So tertiary radical is more stable, and we have the least stable is what? Methyl radical. Now if you see the stability of carbene ion, Again we have the already methyl carbene ion, primary, secondary, tertiary. Okay. Now if you see here, it is reverse. Now if you see here, methyl carbene ion is more stable, and we have the least stable what? Tertiary carbene ion. Okay, this refers to what? Carbocation free radical. Why? Because means carbene ion means already electron rich, isn't it? Okay. So here already electron rich is there. We have the surrounding group which is going to donate. Okay. Already electron rich means don't want to take the electron, but they are giving. So what happens? Stability going to be decreases. So because of that reason, what? Tertiary carbocation is less stable. Here it is more stable. Why? Because means here already it is electron rich, and surrounding no one is there to give the electron. So it is more stable. After that, here what happened? We have only one. So stability somewhat less. Okay, somewhat here compared to tertiary somewhat is more. Here what happened? We have two groups are there. Here we have three groups are there. So what happened? Number of electron giving tendency is more. So because of that reason, what happened? Repulsions are going to increases. Once the repulsion increases means what happens? Stability going to be decreases. So because of that reason, methyl having the most stable, methyl carbene and having the most stable, then primary, then secondary, least stable we have tertiary carbene ion. So this is the order. We have the reverse to the what? Carbene ion, carbocation and free radical. So these are the important in exam they use it to ask frequently.